Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into the financial report of Spark Accession Corporation. Now this is a special kind of company, a blank check company, which might sound like they're writing checks with nothing in the bank, but it's actually a shell company that was created with the intention to acquire or merge with an existing company. What's really interesting is what they're hoping to acquire. Spark was looking at Cameron Holding Corporation, a company that focuses on edge AI, and another company in hospitality software. Although the LOI expired, they are still negotiating a binding agreement with Cameron. This means they're really focusing on artificial intelligence, trying to be innovative and forward-thinking. The company is looking for certain things in a company they want to acquire. They want a business with competitive advantages, a good track record, lots of potential for growth, and they need an experienced management team. These are the key factors they look at. They're trying to play it safe by picking established businesses, but also aiming for big growth potential. There are some risks though, because they also mention that they may seek to acquire a company that may be financially unstable. It seems like a gamble to get a great deal. Here is something that's very important. In some instances, the public shareholders may not have the right to vote on the business combination. So the company may do a deal that shareholders don't even like. Also, it's a tough market out there. Spark Accession Corporation faces a lot of competition from other similar companies and private equity firms who are all looking for good deals to acquire or merge. So this definitely brings up the difficulty of succeeding. Now, let's get to the numbers. The report highlights that their accounting firm has raised a going concern warning. In plain English, it means there's substantial doubt the company can stay in business for the next 12 months. This is based on them having more debts than assets. The clock is ticking to complete a deal, which is raising significant questions. Let's quickly take a peek at their finances. They had about $375,000 in cash on hand at the end of the year, but they had much more, about $107 million in mutual funds held in trust. They have $3.5 million in liabilities for a deferred underwriting fee. So those are the most important numbers from the financial table. For the year 2024, the company has a net income of $3.1 million versus a net loss of about $730K from the previous year. Although they made $3.1 million in income, they still carry all the risks that we just discussed. A quick note, their top executive is getting paid $350K. It's worth knowing where the money is going. The biggest owners of the company are SLG SPAC Fund LLC, Wellspring Capital LLC, HGC Investment Management Inc. Entities affiliated with First Trust Capital and Sunbrand Carpus Investment Management, entities affiliated with First Trust Capital. And since we are talking about IT, here is what they said about cybersecurity. The report also touches on cybersecurity, but it's not a big worry for them right now because they're not really doing much besides hunting for a target company. Basically, they don't have a lot to hack yet. So what's my take on Spark Accession Corporation Quested? Well, they're chasing an AI dream, which is good, but the clock is ticking, and those financial warning signs can't be ignored. Their success is completely dependent on their management team. They have a tough road ahead. Remember to always do your own thorough research and consider all available information before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.